Hi friends, this is Joanna from Made in China online show channel. Today I will take you guys to check the Sangobuild roofing materials. Sangobuild roofing materials is covering of the stone-coated roofing tiles, PVC rain gutters, and asphalt shingle. To start with, we will begin with the asphalt shingle. Before I came, I know that Sangobuild brand asphalt shingle is one of the top three famous from China. And it is not only famous for their good reputation for their strictly chosen of the raw materials, but also for their good caring for their customers. Now, I will introduce a very handsome and young man, Mr. Jesse. He will do the reception of our asphalt shingle. Hi, Jesse. Yeah, Jesse today will take us to see the production line of the asphalt shingle and also take us to see the sample room. So, Jesse, now time is for you.
Okay, hello everybody. So this is Jesse from Sangobuild Roofing System China. You may have noticed that homes built before the 20th century have roofs made from a wide range of products, from wood shacks to ceramic tiles. However, if you will travel to the past, there will be one noticeable absent roofing material. So that's asphalt shingle.
Yeah, thank you. So, Jesse, can you tell us the brief today story of the asphalt shingle?
The asphalt shingle were first used in America, while the first uh, 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 at the very beginning of the 20th century, while the first asphalt roof was built in 1931, and it only took a few years for others to catch on the new trend. And by the end of 1930s, millions of shingles were being manufactured throughout USA. Yeah, so.
Wow, that is a great story of asphalt shingle. So let's go to see the sample room.
Okay, sure. That's why, please.
So, Jesse, can you tell us when was the Sangobuild start with the asphalt shingle business?
It's a long story. About 15 years ago, both of our company and factory was established in Hangzhou city, which is southeast of China. Yes, and 1 year later, in 2006, our brand Sangobuild was founded as well. Yeah, so that's
Uh,
brief history.
okay, I see. I see. So, is it your sample room?
Yeah, that's here. Okay, please. Yeah, yes.
Wow, I was so impressed by the so different colors and the shapes of the asphalt shingle. It is so beautiful.
Yeah, that's right. And yes,
So jealous.
and actually, I like to invite Miss Alice, and she's our product manager. Yeah, she will
Hi,
introduce
Alice.
more from you.
Joanna.
Hi, Jenna. Nice to meet you.
I see you too. Yeah, as I see, there are so many awards for your companies. Can you tell us the stories about your company brand?
Of course, Sangobuild. Sangobuild is the first factory entered into Chinese uh, into Chinese roof tire industry, and we got the good reputation in the market because we already have more than 30 years experience. So when people want to buy roof tire, they search the roof tire. Sangobuild will be the first enter into their eyes.
Wow, that's really very great. So, Alice, I have seen different types of the product. Can you give me a briefly introduction?
Yeah, of course. You can check here. Here is our some certification, quality certification, and others are issued by our government. And you can also check here. Here is our sample room, mosaic shape.
Yeah.
And this is mosaic shape match the aluminum ring gutter and the
Wow.
downpiper. So
Yeah.
the whole is very luxury.
Indeed.
And different countries, there is a different culture and different architecture style. So we also arranged many color and shape for customer to choose. So now, follow me. I will introduce one by one for you.
That will be great.
Yes, let's start from the laminated ASPHALT shingle. So you can check the laminated ASPHALT shingle. From here, it's 2 layers. You can check. It's very, very good quality.
Yeah, indeed, it's 2 layers.
Yes, and you can check the whole shape. It's feel 3-dimension effect and feel very luxurious.
Yes, indeed. So, what kind of market that this type is hot sale for the laminated?
In North America and Southeast Asia.
Okay.
And then we can check here. What's it look like, Joanna?
I think it's like fish scale.
Yes, we call the fish scale directly fish scale ASPHALT shingle. And some people also call it half round. You can check the shape is half round. And you know, the round shape always make people feel relaxed and gentle. So this shape is widely used in the temple and the tourist cottage.
Yes, I can imagine when used in that kind of project, it will be very, very gentle.
Yes, and for this shape, this is our regular shape, but it's very, very popular in the different countries.
Yes, so I guess it will still very popular. About how many percentage will take in your annual year turnover?
Okay, it's more than 30%, and that is our top sale quantity in our factories.
Really very huge and attractive.
Yes, and you can check this. We call it mosaic ASPHALT shingle, and you can check the whole effect is hexagon shape.
Yeah, it is a
Big size.
hexagon.
And this shape is hot sale in the Middle East countries.
Okay, I remembered.
And the next 2 shape, we all call it the Gothic shape. You can check this one, Joanna. You can check. What's
Yeah.
different?
I have a very interesting finding. I think this Gothic type shape is very similar as the laminated one.
Wow, Joanna is so clever. Gothic is only 1 layer, but the whole effect is like laminated ASPHALT shingle, real 3-dimension. So if some customers they want to their roofs, their luxuries, but their budget is limited, then they can choose this one. And Joanna, you can check this is our new shape, new Gothic shape. We custom made with our custom.
Wow, you can do customize the type. It is really very good advantage for a supplier to supporting their customers. So as I'm wondering, since you can do the customize of the shape, can you do the customize of the color of the asphalt shingle?
Yeah, of course. Here is all our regular color, but for this part, you can see this is all made by our customs.
Oh, indeed.
You can check what's the difference with the regular color, Joanna.
I can think it is not one color kind of color. Some kind is shallow and some part is dark. It is shake, but it's very beautiful and elegant.
Yes, and this color, shade color, some people also call the shade color, and it's very, very popular in North America.
Wow,
You can
that's
check,
great
you can,
improvement.
yes.
As I see, Alice, I have interesting finding. I think this color and this color is the same, but it's here in a different type of the asphalt shingle.
Yes, you know, we can do any shape color in our any shape. So for that part, I will show you. Okay.
I just can't wait to see it.
Yeah. Okay, you can check here.
Wow.
This is a desert tan color. You can check it. It's very, very hot still in the Middle East country.
Yeah, I can see that. In the Middle East, there are too many deserts, so it matters color.
Yeah, you're right. And you can check this. This is brown shadow color. It's laminated ASPHALT shingle.
Yeah.
And you can also check here, mosaic mosaic shake color.
This is blue and make me so peaceful. So I guess it will be near the seaside using, right?
Yeah, you're right. If you have a sea project, you can choose this color.
Yeah, definitely. I want a dream house nearby the sea.
Yeah, and okay, this is also laminated ASPHALT shingle. And let me check. This is 3-tab regular ASPHALT shingle.
Yeah.
And okay, you can check. This is also 3-tab. I told you 3-tab is really hot there.
Indeed, so beautiful, and the shake color is so impressive. I can imagine when it's in the house, it will attract my neighbors' every eyes. Yeah, so Alice, as you know, I really astonished by these kind of colors and designs of the sample room.
Yeah.
And there is a question I'm wondering: is the installment of the SHINGLE very complicated?
It's not complicated. I think everyone could install their roof by themselves. So today I will show you how to install. After I show you, then you must be good the installer.
Wow, I just can't wait to see it. Just show me.
Okay, Jesse, help me. This is a waterproof roof film.
Oh, this is underlayment.
Yeah, if here is the roof, then the first step we will install the roof field.
Okay, suppose this is the eave and this is underlayment.
Yes. Okay. And the first piece, we will upside down.
Oh, like this one?
Yes. Upside down, install it, put here.
Upside down, I think it's like this, right? So it will be flat at the first on the
Let me do this. Okay. Yes.
Okay, and we need to make here with one line with the roof level. And then, okay, we will put the first one.
Yeah, like this.
Yes, this is 3-tab. So we need to keep the 3-tab here.
In the same line.
Yeah, in the same line. Then each piece we will fix them with the six nails.
Okay. Oh, this is a nail that may be used.
Yeah, it's very good quality and it's anti-rust.
Wow, this is very important.
Yes, Jesse will show how to install them.
Okay.
It's fixed with nail.
Okay, so normally we can nail it yes, up here, and here.
Okay.
Okay, then we will put another one.
Okay.
For this part, this is middle. Should be in this side.
Okay, I check it.
Here's all different colors. Okay.
I can.
In the middle.
I can already see the complete break. The section is shown.
Yes. So it's quite easy.
Yeah, indeed. And I also noticed that the basement of the roof should be flat. Then it will be more convenient for install the actual shingle, right?
Yes, of course.
Okay, so thank you, Alex, for your good sharing with me about the sample room and the installment. Really very grateful.
Okay, you're welcome. I will join you and Jesse to visit our ASPHALT shingle workshop to check the production line.
Okay, so see you later.
Okay.
Okay, so Jesse, I really feel so happy that this sample room is so impressed. I was very surprised about so many colors can be done and so many different types. It is amazing. So I have a question. Because it's so many colors and types, I guess the product process will be very complicated.
Hi, sorry. No. Actually, the production, the manufacturing is not complicated. Yes, the production is not complicated.
Okay, I
Yes.
see. So I just can't wait to see the production line so you can show me in details.
Okay. So let me show you. So let's go to our workshop right now.
Okay,
Show more
okay.
details.
Christina.
Okay. Okay. Be careful.
Yeah, is that your QC people?
Oh yeah, yes, he is.
So,
Yeah.
what you will gonna do with this ASPHALT shingle?
This is a random sample from production line, and we will do testing on it. We do inspection and testings on each batch of the production.
Wow, that is very cool. So, may I know what kind of standard that you may use for checking the ASPHALT shingle?
We test with international and regional standards.
Yeah, that's cool. Can you give me a briefly show about the process for the checking?
Okay. Firstly, we usually would take random samples from the production line. Secondly, we would evaluate the samples by the appearance. Thirdly, we would conduct other mechanical and chemical tests. And after that, we will conclude the test reports and other related records.
Yeah, thank you for your QC
Okay, you're
people.
welcome.
Good caring.
Thank you.
晶晶姐收音不错，你们剩下的话待会儿声音稍微响一点。
Okay.
This way.
Okay, Jesse, as I see, you have a very high standard when control the sample and control the quality, and I may guess you have a very good standard for the asphalt shingle quality. So can you show us the definition for a very qualified asphalt shingle?
Yes, actually, those three main factors. The first one was the color. The color should be consistent, which means there's no obvious color difference. And the second one will require the good flexibility. Because when we're talking about when we're talking about so when we're talking about the construction and the good silence would be very important. Yeah, and the third one would be the thickness. Because for apple shingle, they have natural standard thickness. For example, like our 3-track shingles, our standard thickness is 2.6 meters. Because it's really important. If the thickness, no matter the thickness is too thin or too thick, that would affect the product performance. Yeah, so that's the whole thing.
Great. Thank you for telling me this about the quality control. As you may see, Jesse, I have noticed the different color of the package for the asphalt shingle. Can you tell me details of the package?
Yes. You should very carefully, John. Actually, you can see this transparent package. This is our regular package for exportation. Because you know why? Because shingles come in with 9 different colors. So for us to recognize those different colors from eyes, so it's better to use the transparent package. Yeah, but sometimes when the shingles color is not easily seen from outside, then a label mark would be very important to help us recognize. And for more details about the package, my assistant Sasha will introduce more information to you later. Yeah.
Okay, so great. Now I have a good knowledge for the packing. So let's go.
This way.
Wow, forklift is so busy. Jesse.
Yeah.
Jesse, as you see, I have already noticed that you have 3 different production lines,
Yes.
and all the production lines are busy working. and all the workers are running and busy. And I may guess that your delivery time would be very fast, right?
Yeah, that's right. And because yes, that's right. Just for example, just suppose when we get your points today, and we can finish your container orders within 3 working days. Yeah.
Wow, that is very short.
Yes, because on the yeah, because on the another hand, on another hand, the fast delivery time will also benefit our candidates a lot to help them be more competitive in their business. So yeah, so there's an old saying, time is money. Yeah, so that's the point.
Yes, indeed. What you are saying is right. Because now the delivery time, if the delivery time is fast, that means then the customer will receive the product at the first time, then they will fastly occupy the market. Then they can sell to the consumers. Then all the products can become the payment. So I think it is very, very, very important that for the delivery time, because especially in this kind of special situation when the sea cost is so high and a shipping line is delayed, and if the factory can shorten the delivery time, that is a very cool thing for the importers indeed. Thank you. So Jesse, I have already noticed that this bulk of the package for the stone chips. So can you tell us the quality control for the stone chips?
Yes, actually, when talking about stone chips,
看镜头。
when talking about stone chips, guess what? We got a small box right here. Normally the stone chips.
Okay, the stone chips can maintain the color for a very long time, right?
Yes.
And in a very high temperature to maintain the color.
Yes.
Okay, so there is another question that is very important, because most of the markets that are using the asphalt shingle, their weather is very humid. Since their weather is very humid, so it is very good for the algae growth.
Yeah.
So the anti-algae growth is very important when choosing the stone chips.
Exactly. The stone chip on the surface, will direct that the stone chip on the surface will direct the rainwater falling into on the surface, so to form any contents, and by doing this, the stone chips will come with anti-algae performance. Yes, right.
Yeah, you're right. After you told us the controlling for the anti-algae, I feel so satisfied. I hope and I definitely think that consumers, when they use these kind of stone chips for anti-algae, they will be very happy, because they will not worry for their any algae will grow on their house, on their roof.
So yeah.
So Jesse, I think we have already arrived at the beginning of the production now.
Yeah, that's right. Actually, as you can see, this bigger guy, that's a very important part. That's the most important raw material. Yeah, definitely fiberglass. Yeah.
Okay. So how your Sangobuild brand is choosing the qualified fiberglass?
Okay. Actually, Sangobuild. We will require the fiberglass categorical at least 90 grams per square meter. That will be the qualified fiberglass. Yeah. And yeah.
This is very important material, right?
Exactly right.
So I guess this will be the stock.
Yes. Those are all of our qualified fiberglass. Okay, so from our trial. Yes. Okay.
Jesse, after seeing all the planting stocks, I definitely believe in what you are saying for the fast time delivery time. Yeah, very cool for company capacity. Yeah. Okay, let's go on. Oh, for the roller, the fiberglass is moving.
This whole big guy, you know.
Yeah, I already feel a little hot.
Okay,
Actually, very hot.
Uh,
I think we are approaching something that is in a high temperature.
yes, be careful, because 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 we've already come to the asphalt melting process right now. Yeah.
Okay, so can I go closer?
Yes, you must be careful.
Okay, about what is the temperature now?
The temperature we control at about 240 degrees inside. Yeah.
Wow, it's very hot.
Yes.
It is already can make asphalt from the solid performance to a liquid performance.
Yes, that's right. That's also an important process of production.
So I think they'll be adding some extra material in the melting box. So what kind of role this actual material will play?
Actually, yes, we do. A certain properties of SBS and other modified materials will be added into the melting process. Yes, and when talking about the main function, this is mainly to this is mainly to this is mainly to improve this is mainly to improve the temperature resistance of the asphalt. Yes, that's the point.
Okay, good. That's cool. Can I go closer to check the back? Ah, okay, let me check closely. I have seen on the back of the asphalt, there are some temperate
Yes.
tape and tape strips and some small post stamps. So what these two material plays role?
Okay. Just as we know, the asphalt is a very sensitive material. Yeah. So to avoid those asphalt shingles,
Combine?
yes. So to avoid those asphalt shingles being stick together in the package, so we gotta use adhesion strip. That's a very important. That's a very important role for the asphalt. And when talking about the concept, that's the symbol, that's the same function. Yeah.
This is very important. Very important. We use this to isolate the two pieces of the asphalt. So, oh, I think something. Uh, so I think just I have seen in the sample room, you can produce different shapes.
Yes.
So what kind of function in the machine that can cut in different types?
Yes. 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 So can we go back to the Yes. Actually, yes. When you know, as you can see, that's the cutting. That's the cutting for the mosaic profile. Yes. Because you know, for different profile, we got different cutting shapes to shape. Yeah. So that's the thing.
Yeah, this is very cool. Now I already know a great knowledge for an asphalt shingle. This is a very cool thing. Yeah, so Jesse, I'm really very interested about the parking. I guess. Oh yeah, okay. I think that is a machine for parking, right?
Yeah. That's a big guy.
Yeah.
Hi. Hello, sunshine. Hi. Hello, sunshine. Hi. Hey. Hey. Hello.
Oh, so busy.
Hello, sunshine. Yeah, this is Sunshine, and she's our tech manager, and this is Jenna.
Hi, Sunshine. Nice to know you. We're very hardworking. So, can I ask you some questions about the parking?
Normally, we pack 16 pieces or 21 pieces per thousand. It depends on the different styles.
Okay. About how many square meters for one bundle?
Like which cover size is 2.32 per square meter. Like the single layer tray table and fishing scale, which cover size is 3.1 per square meter. Yes.
Wow, that's very cool.
Yes.
So can I go closer to check the machine running?
Yes. This is all technical and all kind of scale.
Ah.
This is our standard package.
Oh, I have noticed the different customized packing.
Yes. You want to customize your own package, OEM will customize.
Wow, very, very cool.
Yes.
Wow, this is a machine?
The all robotic artwork.
Oh.
Yes, it can replace the human hand and highly improve packaging efficiency and save much time.
This palette is all the robot done?
Yes.
Oh, very cool indeed. Wow, the robot is so great. So I'm wondering, okay, I have already noticed that, 巴尔塞 Okay, I have feel this asphalt is very, very soft. So Alice, is this asphalt can bend?
Yes, of course, this is our expert shingle. Let me show you. We can put like this, like this, like this. Then we can check the surface without any crack and without any destroyed.
I was really astonished. What a factory produce! This is a very good product.
Yes, for this expert shingle, we also keep with our customer warranty 20 to 30 years.
So customers, no worry, just buy it. This is the right product for us single. So Alice, see you.
Okay, bye.
再给Jessie，给Jessie，给他吧。没有声音啊，我这个也没有吗？Oh, okay. Okay, Jessie. So, okay, Jessie. See you again. I feel so grateful and happy after I know the asphalt shingle production, the sample room, the parking way, and the delivery time. I was very happy. And also, I have one wondering is, I think many customers may be caring for it. How you guys loading one containers?
Actually, normally we can load from 2,000 to 3,000 square meters, 120 feet container. Yes, and when talking about the specific profile, for example, like the 3-tab single, we can load at most 3,100 square meters, 120 feet container.
Wow, seems so cool. I think based on this high cost of the shipping cost, the more loading of the asphalt shingle product is very important because it will saving the cost for the buyers. I think this may be the very important reason that the customers are choosing the asphalt shingle instead of other roof materials. So Jessie, so happy for you to give me the introduction about the things for the asphalt shingle. And the next step will be going to my colleague, Mr. Sally's side. So I was happy to know you. So thank you very much for you and the colleagues' help.
It's okay,
So
Jenna.
see you later.
Bye.
现在要不要给 Sally 啊 So Sally, let's see you again.
Yes.
So I have already finished the asphalt shingle part.
Really? How about this part?
Excellent.
Wow.
You cannot imagine how good and superb this material is. It's not only flexible, but very, very different color shape. I think you will be never forget about the affection for the project. So I think the next step will be for you to take our viewers.
Yes. So next step, I will introduce.
So see you later.
Okay, I will see you later. Very much. Okay. Hi everyone, this is Sally, the Ghana's colleague. Just now, Ghana has introduced you guys about the asphalt shingle. Later, I will introduce another
from the internet. So today I will take you guys to have a look how what this product is. Okay, just follow me. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, so you can see this is a workshop that Joanna just introduced. This is a very big workshop, and actually Sangobuild asphalt shingle factory is the biggest asphalt shingle factory in China. This factory every week they send about 50 containers overseas. Okay, you can see this asphalt shingle stock. It will be shipped. It will be shipped by next week. Yeah. Yeah, the asphalt shingle are stacked by bundle and bundle so that you can count clearly. And every bundle is with 21 pieces. I think just Joanna has introduced it to you guys. Okay. Wow, it's quite nice weather now. There are some wind because from this morning the sunshine is very strong. It makes people very hot. Yeah, but now I feel it's very cool, much cooler. Yeah, just look at the sky. The cloud is so beautiful, right? Yeah. Okay. The Sangobuild workshop has two workshops. One is the asphalt shingle workshop, and another one is the durable roofing tiles workshop. Okay. For another workshop, it has 4 floors. The first floor is for the durable roofing tiles. The second floor is for their PVC materials. And the third floor and fourth floor is for their office building. Okay, you can see the Sangobuild building now. Wow, very new, right? Yes. Okay. Several days ago, I have made an interview with Lin.
那个布没掀掉。
I have sent that I have asked Lin. I have asked Lin to give our introduction about the roofing tiles that the customer interested. Okay. Hello, Lin. How are you, guys?
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm great. Very long time no say, right?
It's very long time.
Very long time.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'm very nice. How about you?
I'm good, and you?
Yeah, I'm very nice. Your company produces a very durable roofing tiles. Can
Yeah.
you tell us the name?
Yes. Hello, everyone. This is the Sangobuild factory, and we are exporting this stone-coated roofing sheet size 26. And this is our new factory. And today I'm checking some stock about these products. Yeah.
Really? So I have seen so many things.
Yeah.
It is to be shipped.
Yes.
Very soon.
I'm checking about the stock, and we are going to load them by next week.
Oh, really? How you ship them?
Normally we ship it by 20 feet containers.
By 20 feet container? So what's the quantity?
Normally we are loading one container about 10,000 pieces. 10,000 pieces is about 5,000 square meter.
5,000 square meters?
Yes.
Wow, that's really a large quantity.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, but for this kind of large quantity, how many buildings they will build?
5,000 square meter can cover about 25 houses.
Okay, that's really great.
Yeah.
Okay, with the stone coated metal roofing tiles, I have some customers they are very interested about how the production line will be. Can you show us?
Yes, today we are having some production, so let us get into this.
Okay.
Yeah, I find my colleague, Mrs. Scaler.
Yeah.
Hello, Mrs. Scaler. Okay. Yeah, my friend, Mr. Sally, is interested about this production of this stone-coated roofing sheet.
Yes.
Could I take a minute?
Of course. What do you want to know?
Yes, you know, Scanner, they told me that this tiles is very popular now in the global market.
Yes, true.
And many customers want to see how it is produced. And for this product, I can see now there is so many of the roofing tiles is coming out.
Yes.
So normally, how do you control their quality?
For QC control, the workers who is stacking the tiles into the pallets is inspecting the quality, and we will pick out the unconforming ones at this area. 对， True. Yes. Yes. So the unconforming quality will not show on customers' goods. Also, there's a few methods that we could do to check the quality, and our customers could also do this when you receive the goods. So first one, yes, take this one for example. When you get the tile, you can hold it and feel the weight of the tile. It's pretty heavy. Yes, and then you can check the surface. The stone chips is evenly coated on the steel panel. And if you yes, and if you scratch it, yes, it won't peel out. Yes, and second, you can check the back side. There is no extra glue on it, so it's very clean. Yes, yes. So that's how you check the quality of the tile.
Okay. But for this kind of roofing tiles, with this kind of product, how many pieces can produce one day?
For one production line, we could produce 20,000 pieces. That's about 2 containers for one.
Pieces?
Yes.
Okay. Wow, that's great. Okay, so for this kind of roofing tiles, maybe most customers still knowledge about it.
Yes.
So maybe there are some common quality problem. Can you just tell them what is the common quality problem?
Yes. The common quality problems customers face, the number one is color fading. That is because of the stone chips. For dyed stone chips, the color stays on its surface. It won't last. But if you center the stone chips under 800 degrees, the stone chips will permanently transform into the color we need.
For this one?
Yes. So we use centering stone chips. So we could offer a 30-year color warranty.
That's really very long, right?
Yes. So it's the roof tile for a lifetime. So yeah. So the second problem customers may face is the stone chips falling off. That's because of the glue. Homemade cheap glue couldn't provide enough adhesion to the stone chips and the steel board, so it could easily peel off, but not for our tiles.
Okay.
That's because we purchase from professional factories to avoid that problem.
Okay.
And the third one is rust on the backside. The rust on the backside is caused by the steel sheet material. The zinc steel sheet is very vulnerable to corrosion. So, but we use the aluminum zinc sheet. With the protection of aluminum, our tile is rust-free for a longer time. So that's the 3 most commonly problems customers may face.
Wow, it's really nice and great with Miss Gala. I think that is why Mr. Lin has seen that this roofing tiles can last about 50 years, right?
Yes, that's
okay.
true.
Okay, thank you very much for your job today. Okay, Lin. I saw that girl is taking roofing tiles, and he is going to do some. What he is going to do?
Oh, you mean the Miss Alice?
Yeah.
Alice is the manager of our quality control department.
Yes.
Sangobuild factories care of the performance of every piece of roofing sheet.
Yeah.
So, Miss Alice, hi.
Hello, Alice.
My friend, Miss Sally, is very interested about the quality of this roofing sheet.
Yeah.
So could I take a minute to take some very interesting testing about this?
Okay, so Alice, most of the customers, they are very interested about this roofing tiles, but the case is that they may have the quality warranty for this kind of roofing tiles. And if you are seeing that today you are going to do some tests to show the quality is good, I think that is quite attractive for these customers. So can you just briefly tell us what kind of test you will do for the roofing tiles?
Okay, today we will do the three tests. The first test, we will check the roof tile, finish product, whether strong or not.
Okay, great.
And the second, we will do the
to check the stone coated.
Stone coating.
Yeah, they are adhesive,
Okay.
whether good or not.
Okay.
And the third one, we will check the stone granule is whether clean or not.
Wow, really? I'm really eager to know how do you do the test. So just let's start, okay?
Okay, let's do the test.
Yeah.
We will ask the forklift to turn over the.
Really?
Yeah, turn over.
Wow,
the
that's
tire.
wonderful.
Then we can change. We can check the roof tire change. Okay.
Yeah, I think that's quite amazing.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So, dear customers, just to say this kind of test, the forklift will run over this roofing tiles, and then we will say whether what kind of change the roofing tiles will have. Okay, you can see the forklift is run over again. Okay.
Okay.
Well, let's see the coating. Wow. I still see the coating is
Yeah.
very nice here. It is still there, well shaped.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the full shape even without any change.
Yes, that's right. That's really amazing, Alice.
Yes.
So, what about the second test you want to do for us?
You know, most of countries they have roof cleaning company.
Yes.
They wash the roof tile like every 3 or 5 years to make their roof feel very new.
Yeah.
So today we will do the same test here
Yeah.
to check the stone coated is whether good or not.
Okay, that makes sense. So, how should we do the test?
Okay. We will ask my Jesse, come here. Okay.
Yes.
You know, some countries wash the roof tile. They will use the wash gun.
Yes.
So today we will also use the wash gun to put it.
Yes.
Wash it. Then we can change. We can check the stone coated change. Okay.
Okay. Wow, it's a magic thing we should see later. So let's see how the test will be. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Wow.
It's the biggest power.
Yeah, big pressure. Wow.
Wow.
Okay.
Then.
Okay. We will use the big pressure to wash
The biggest one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see and wait.
Okay, you can check the stone granule on the surface. It's really adhesive without any stone coating. So after
Yes, I can see the red and the black stone there very clearly. Yeah.
So after we wash the wash the roof tire, then we can check the change. Okay.
Wow. Okay. It's coming. Okay. Let's try it. Okay.
Okay.
We can pull it down. Okay.
Yes.
Wow. You can from the top to the bottom. Wow. I think that's big enough. The pressure is big enough.
Yes. It's big pressure. Okay. Okay, Sandy, you can check. You can check.
Yes.
They are without any stone granule peel off or
Yeah.
in this point.
That's really amazing. It's very clean, Alice.
Yeah.
So you made it. You really did a good job, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
Very
Mr.
nice.
Alice, I also have a question. If I want to drink the water which down from this roof, it is safe?
Yes, that is a good question because some of countries people always collect the water from the roof and drink it, but they all operate if the weather safe or not. So that today we will do the test for stone granule.
Wow.
Okay. So,
I really can't wait to see how the changes will be.
okay, for this one is from Sangobuild. This is what we use the stone granule.
Okay.
Check
It looks it's not much difference, right? From
yes,
the surface.
on the surface, this is from other factories. You can check on the surface without
Difference.
any difference.
Okay.
But we need to check that.
Okay. That's great. Let's see the magic happenings.
Okay. This is Sangobuild stone granule.
Yes.
Then we put in the bottom.
Okay. Put them all.
Yes.
Okay.
And for this one, it's from other brand stone granule.
Okay. Wow, I see too much of the dust there, right?
Yes.
Okay, just help me put into water.
Wow.
You can change.
It seems that it has something not clean in it, right?
Yeah, it's very dirty, and the water is turbid.
Okay, so let's see this one.
Okay.
Wow, it's amazing, Alice.
Yeah.
I see
what's
some
the different?
Yeah, I see some stone granules is still on the top.
Yeah.
So what caused this?
Because this looks stone granule.
Yeah.
We do the clean work.
Yeah.
But for this one, without any clean work, so this one is the cost is cheaper.
Oh,
but
yeah.
This one is the best quality. You can check the water is really
Very,
clean.
very clean. Yeah.
Yeah. So if custom choose Sangobuild stone roof tile, they without any worry about the water is drink safe or not.
Yeah, it's really great. But you know, most of customers they may don't care about the stone granules dirty or not. So for this kind of dirty the stone granules, what will affect the roofing tile quality if they use this one?
Okay, if you know any product is dirty or it will big reduce the adhesive of glue. So if some factory use this bad quality stone granule, then their stone coating is very bad.
Yeah.
That's why some people complain some Chinese roof tile is their stone coating is very bad quality and falling out.
Understand now.
But if you use the clean stone granule, then it will increase the adhesive of glue. So our coating without any worry.
Okay. So somehow it is to say that for the single build roofing tiles, they can really last about 50 years, but for this one, it cannot be sure, right?
Yeah, of course. Only half of years is color fading.
Color fading.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Or peeling off like former Stella said,
Yeah,
right?
of course.
Okay. Thank you very much for Alice's job here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And then, I think you just really did a very great test for the roofing tiles. I think more customers is very believed on the single build quality. So if in this case, I think the customers are more curious about, what is the procedure to produce this kind of roofing tiles?
Okay.
Yeah.
The first thing I want to introduce you is about the story, the history of this stone-coated roofing sheet.
Yes.
This product comes from the World War II.
Yeah, very long story, right?
Yes. In that moment, the government of the United Kingdom, they requested some roofing materials in more Europe against the hot weather. You know, the UK, that weather is not good.
Yeah, very cold, right?
Yes. So this roofing sheet is made from this stone granules and also the aluminum zinc steel.
Yeah.
Yes. You know, there are two types of these steel materials we can use for this product. The first one is aluminum zinc steel.
Yeah.
The second one is the zinc steel.
Yeah.
You know, the character of the aluminum is very good at the rust proof, right?
For the zinc one?
For the aluminum.
Oh, for the aluminum zinc one. Okay.
So every piece of the Sangobuild roofing sheet will use the aluminum zinc.
Okay, I think that's good, and it is very suitable for some coastal countries, right? Okay.
That is why we can give the 50 years lifespan.
Okay. Yeah, that is what customer want to have.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now let us check the first very important material is about the steel.
Okay, that'd be great. That'd be great. Okay, let's go. So Mr. Lee is going to introduce us about the product procedure. So we can say how to start them. Okay.
Now we are talking the steel tile in that we could English about it. Let us get
Okay. Sanshan. I'm looking at you are checking some about the roofing sheet. What are you checking now?
In order to promote the customer blend, when the end user receives the goods, they can easily recognize the customer blend and remember it.
Okay.
The product can sell faster and easier.
Okay.
Other is that many customers pay much attention to the reputation.
Yeah.
Sangobuild can realize the issue with customers together.
Wow, that's really a good job. So this is the first step. What about the second procedure?
Let me give you a view of next step.
Yes, please. Yeah.
This is our press machine.
Press machine. Okay. Okay.
You can see
Wow.
figure of the press.
Oh, it is the aluminum zinc sheet, just like a lean towel, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. So before stone coating, it's like this way, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what is nice about this one?
I can make for you.
Okay, great.
The length is
1.34.
1.34 meters.
Okay.
Yes. The width is 0.42 meters.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I see the size. Yeah, 42 centimeter, right?
Yes.
So normally with this kind of roofing tile size, how many pieces can cover 1 square meter?
About 2 or 3 mm. I can make for you.
Okay. I mean, oh, you want to tell us the thickness, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let's say 这个不对。Well, it's about 2. About 2. Yeah, 2.3. Okay, great. Yes, I think that's thickness enough.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you, Sanshan. Okay, yeah, thank you. Yes, I have learned that how the roofing tiles is produced, right?
Yes.
But I have seen some stone granules roofing tiles outside. So how they are coated together?
Yeah, this is the first step.
Yeah.
Very important.
Yeah.
Now we are taking the second step. Very
Yeah.
important. This is the
Okay.
granules.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
There are so many waiting for the first coating.
Yeah. Okay. So these are the press sheets.
Yes.
And then the first step is to do the base coating, right?
Yes, this is the second one. This first we put the base coating.
Okay.
Base coating. We put the
Stone granules here. Okay. Wow.
after this, you can check there is very long drying machine.
Yes, what's useful for?
Yeah, that is for the drying the first coating to be dry.
Yeah?
Yeah, and after this, we are putting the acrylic coating for the surface to make it more strong.
Okay, so that there's no about peeling off or any problem.
After that one, there is very long drying.
Yeah.
We dry it well to make the surface no peeling off.
Okay, that's really good job. Okay, that's amazing.
Yeah, you can see that is our slogan.
Yeah, Sangobuild.
Customer and great together with the customer.
Wow, that's very nice slogan, right? Okay.
Steel material. Just waiting for the stone granules coating.
Okay, so I saw the workshop is very clean and tidy.
Yes.
You have many people. You have people cleaning here many times a day.
Yes.
Yeah.
We keep our roofing sheet very clean. I think this is the first step.
Okay.
Make our factory clean.
Okay, great. What's this?
That is the flat sheet.
Flat sheet.
Yeah, this flat sheet we are using this to make it existing roofing sheet.
Okay.
Like the roof ridge. And
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
and some valley.
Okay.
Just like this one.
So it can be customer size.
Yes.
Customer. Yeah.
Normally we took the 2 meters, but the size is customizable.
Okay. That's wonderful.
And in some Spanish style area, they are prefer to use the ridge cam.
Circular ridge cam.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
so many stocks.
Yeah, I have seen so many stocks here and outside.
I just want to check with our manager, Miss Summer, about the stock situation.
Okay.
Hello, Miss Summer.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine.
You are busy now.
A little.
Yes, my friend, Miss Sally, she wants to know about the stock situation, so I would like to take your minutes.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, I'm nice meeting you.
Hi, Sunny.
Yeah, I have seen so many ready pallets here, so many customers may have the worries about the package problem. So can you just introduce them? How do you guarantee the package is well and no damage during transportation?
Okay, no problem. You could see our palette, and on each palette, bottom part, there is a stamped logo. This one, here. You could take it here. This stamped logo means that the palette is very good quality, and
Oh, really?
yeah, and they were all steamed before they leave in the factory.
Okay.
And you could see the thickness of it. It's very, very strong.
Yeah, it's very strong.
Yes, so each pallet should hold 600 to 700 pieces of roofing tiles.
600 to 700.
Yes.
Okay, that's how many pallets in one container?
About 20 pallets each
Okay.
container.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Okay, and for the roofing tiles, they are easily to get damaged during the transportation.
Not really. You could see the pallets will wrap by this PE film. Yeah, this PE film will wrap it, and it will keep the roofing sheet from moving. And inside the container, if there are some space
Like this?
space between the two pallets, we will add the roofing accessories package.
Yeah.
Yeah, inside this part, so there they could hold the two pallets.
Okay, that's making a very good use of the
Yeah.
container space, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Summer. You did a good job. Okay. Okay, so Lynn. Yes. Okay, I just see so much in of the shelves outside. So what's that used for?
Oh, that is the showcase.
Showcase?
Yes. I can tell that the roof is the mainstream. I can see that.
Yeah.
And those are the showcase we prepare for our customer in Chile, and
In Chile.
they are going to take this to a big exhibition.
Wow.
So we prepare this free to them to get more customers.
Yeah, really very beautiful.
Yes, the first one, this is the Spanish tail.
Spanish tail?
Yes, it's also called the Roman tail.
Roman tail.
Yes, it's very popular in the South America, you know, the Spanish style.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. And this is the modern classic style. Modern classic style is very, very hot in the Africa.
In Africa?
Yeah, Nigeria.
Okay.
Yes, just so you know that there is the roofing materials named ASPHALT roofing shingle, right?
Yeah, yes.
And in the America, ASPHALT roofing shingle is very plain and it's very hot sale. And we get the design from that ASPHALT shingle to make this shingle tail.
Yeah, the shingle tail looks just like the similar laminated one.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And those are the Roman and also Milano. Sangobuild as a factory, we are trying to meet more demand from our customer.
Wow.
So we are always getting some new design from customers.
Oh, really? So, and I do see that this kind of shelves here, but after the customer bought the roofing tiles for their house, it is very difficult to install them.
It's very easy to
Really?
install. Yes.
Is there any way to show us to do some installation
Yes.
guiding?
In the second plot, today we
Okay.
are making some shed.
Okay.
Making some shed. Let us get into to
Okay.
check how this roofing shed be installed.
Okay, that'd be great. Okay, so everyone, you know, the stone-coated roofing tiles is a new one in the market. Most of the people, after they buying the roofing materials, they are worried about the installation work. So whether they can finish it by themselves or they needed to find the installation team to do it. Okay, so later Lynn will show you how the installation work is easily to do. Okay, yeah.
Okay, and also you can check. This is the shoe case we also made. It's covered by this
Yeah.
more hard design.
Yes.
Shingle design.
Wow. The color is too fresh. Yeah.
Yes.
The
Yes.
blue color. Yeah.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And also, you know, recently the shipping cost is very high, right?
Right. That's.
And Sangobuild is the factory,
Mm-hmm.
and the roofing sheet is very heavy.
Right.
We are trying to find someone which is lightweight to loading together with the roofing sheet.
Mm-hmm.
So we are also producing the PVC rain gutters in this area.
Wow, really?
Yes.
So this is a workshop?
Yes, this is workshop, but
Okay.
but first let us to check. Wow, amazing!
Wow, I
That's
see
the-
that.
Wow, they have done a good job, right?
Yeah, they have finished it.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's see how this
Or
installed.
small demo house, right?
Yes, small demo house. And we are also doing some rain test, raindrop test,
Okay.
and also sun test.
Okay. So what's this design?
This is the Milano.
Milano. Okay. It's well, which country is popular with this one?
This one is doing a lot to the South Asia.
South Asia?
Yes. You can
Wow.
see, so many customers, they want to know what is the underlayment for this roof, right?
Yeah, you mean the bottom one?
Yes, we use such aluminum zinc,
Yeah.
the pattern,
Okay.
to undertake the roofing sheet.
Okay.
Yes. Also, we can use the wooden structure
Mm-hmm.
as well. In
Yeah.
Africa, they are using a lot the wooden structure.
Okay. So when installation, the gap between these should be very fixed, or it has its
The first,
exact distance.
okay, the first step it could be 350 millimeter.
Okay.
And in the second, it's just go 370 millimeter.
Okay.
And 370.
Okay. So when you measure very right about the gap of the figures, and it is very easily to install them.
Yes.
You just put them on the roof one by one, right?
Exactly. For those two workers, they can install about 100 square meter one day.
Wow, that's really a very efficient job, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
And
Wonderful.
also, Sangobuild, we have the engineer department. We can do some the project and working on your sketch on the
Okay.
roof.
Okay. That's quite professional.
Yes. Okay. Now I want to send you to our PVC rain gutters factory because
Yeah.
that is the one to maximum your profits if you want to import the roof from
Yes,
China.
I think that is also customer one,
Yes.
right?
So I still have some work, so I head back to.
Okay.
My
Thank you
job
very much,
says,
Esme.
thank you
And
too.
you really did a good job. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So Lynn just told us they has another product that can be matched with the heavy product stone-coated metal roofing tiles. So later we will show you what kind of product is, and my colleague will do this part job for you. Okay, Jenna?
Hi.
Yeah. How about you?
Yeah, I feel good.
Okay, very nice. And Miss Lynn said they have another product that can match the roofing tiles. You can introduce the customer information about this.
Of course. Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah, now it's our turn. Yeah. We will introduce you the PVC.
Hi, Joanna.
Yeah, nice to see you.
Yeah.
Yeah, Liam is do the reception for the production line and sample checking and resampling.
Yeah. Hi, friends. This is Leon, and today I will show you around our PVC ring gutter workshop. Sangobuild is one of the top manufacturers in southern China, and our annual production capability can be up to 500 containers. Okay, now let's go and check, Joanna.
Right. So,
我在你左边，声音会更轻一点。
So Liam, as I know, the Sangobuild PVC rain gutter system is very popular.
Yeah.
So, what is your advantages that make you so popular in the market?
Because we Sangobuild uses brand new raw material, and we have strict quality control system, and also our product has the good quality that makes our so popular. Besides, our ring gutters are very light, which can be loaded together with stone coated metal roof tiles, which also boosts the sales of our ring gutters.
Wow, so cool. Yeah, I have seen some materials. So, what these materials used for?
These are the materials that we use to produce PVC ring gutter. They are PVC powder, and new PVC powder will look very fine and clean, as you can see here. It's very fine and clean. Yeah, no any impurity. However, if you look at the recycled PVC powder, it would look very coarse and impure. The ring gutters made of new PVC powder would be more flexible and resilient and more durable. However, if you use the recycled PVC powder to produce the ring gutter, it will be more easier to break and the lifespan is short.
Okay, so great.
Yes.
So, as I see,
we can go ahead.
Is that the beginning of the production line?
Yes, this is the very beginning of our production line. See, from here, the PVC powder goes into the heating compartment through the pipe to be heated and melted, and then through the mold, the product is extruded out. And also, we can make a custom shape for our customers for a different mode.
That is so cool.
Yes.
And I have noticed the small machine.
Yeah.
What is that machine used for?
That is a laser print machine.
Okay.
Yes.
So what kind of content you can print?
Usually we print customer's logo or brand name on it.
Wow, so cool. So that can make our customers more competitive in the market.
Yes, you are right, because it will help them to establish their brand reputation, and also it can help consumers recognize their products. Yes.
Yeah, okay, that's very cool.
Let's go ahead.
Yeah. I have seen located here. It's a cutting machine.
Yes.
So,
When
so
when
normally how long for piece?
yeah, when the product reached a certain length, the cut machine would make a cut. And the most common size we produce now is 4 meters per piece. However, we can also produce as per customer's needs, like 3 meters or 5 meters per piece.
Okay,
Yes.
sounds right.
Yes. And right here, when the product is finished and before packing, our quality control person will check the quality. And this is our QC manager, Lily.
Yeah,
This is Joanna.
Hi, Joanna. Nice to see you. Nice to meet you. So, Lily, I'm asking, what kind of quality standards of the gutters and pipes?
Okay. We have 5 steps the inspection to do the test and to issue authority. First, we do 100% final inspection for all raw materials to control the quality closely. Second, on-site inspection every 2 hours. So, we also will do 100% final product inspection before all packaging. First, we also will do spot tracking and do library test every That's all.
Okay, thank you, Lily, for your explain for the quality control issues.
Yeah, Joanna, now let's check our stock area.
Just can't wait to see it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And here we stock the finished goods here. And we have orders to be delivered from here to all over the world every day.
Wow, sounds great.
Yeah.
As can see, the stock is really plenty. So I may guess, how long will you take for produce an order?
It usually depends on the order volume, but generally we can finish the orders within 5 to 7 days.
That's cool. So Leon, I can see there is some boxes. So what are inside?
Yeah, let me explain to you.
Okay.
These are the accessories of PVC ring gutters. Let me show you some of them.
Mm.
See, in this box, we have elbow and the corner packed together.
Wow.
And in this cutter, we have
It's okay.
we have elbow and the gun pipe slit, and also our drop outlet packed together. And in this pack, we have the gutter joiner and the corner packed together.
Great.
And in this box, we have the drop outlet and the elbow together. And this one, we have the corner. This is the outside corner. And also packed together with the elbows. Yeah. In this way, we can save the space because they are packed together. It will save a lot of space. Also, it can save the freight for our customers in the end.
Oh, I can see.
And we have more than 20 kinds of accessories, actually.
Yeah, that's great. As I can imagine, there are so many kinds of small accessories put inside of the bigger accessories that may take the extra labor cost for your own work. So I can see your sincerity and your support for your customers.
Yes, we work with customer. We work for the customer. Our purpose is to save money for customers. So we invented this kind of packing.
Yeah. Okay, it's so great. This packing is amazing. I can see so many kind of accessories. I just wondering how you guys can combine them together to a functional system.
Yeah, many newcomers will have such curiosity. How can we combine so many accessories to a functional ring gutter system? Now, let us show you how we do it.
Great. Let's check it.
Our engineer Tom will show you how to assemble a simple PVC ring gutter system. And this is ring gutter, also the main part of the ring gutter system. And Tom is connecting the corner with the ring gutter. And if you think the ring gutter length is not enough, you will also have the gutter joiner to join them together. And now Tom is attaching the drop outlet. Drop outlet should be the position where you will put the gun pipe.
Yes.
Because all the water drops will come down to the drop outlet and flow downwards.
Yes, exactly.
And this is the end cap coming engineering. End cap we have usually used in pairs because you will have two open ends.
Yes.
You will use to cap off both ends to avoid leakage.
Yes.
Installation is
You're right. You're right. No, I can see a hole of the drop outlet. So in that hole is collecting the pipe, right?
Yes, you're right. Also, sometimes the building is more than like 3 meters because our common size is 4 meters per
Yes.
piece. And if the wall or if the building is too high, then we'll need to use the joiner connection to install.
加一节管子。嗯。
Yes, here we have a simple installation and assembly of our PVC ring gutter system. And but actually, if you install it at your home, it also will not be very difficult as easy because our accessories are complete and you can connect and attach them clean and easy. Yes.
This seems so cool. So this is wonderful. Just this kind of assembling can make so many different pipes and gutters and accessories to combine together, be a complete system.
Yes, and also we have some mini models here to show you, Joanna. We usually use these to display to our customers.
Okay, so Neo, I have already seen about 3 different colors. They are white, coffee brown, and black.
Yes, you're right. Because these 3 colors are the most colors in the market.
Okay, I also noticed about 2 different sizes. One is small and one is bigger.
Yes, actually there are 2 different sizes here. These 3 are 5.2-inch style, and another 2 are 7-inch style. Their sizes are different.
Okay, that's great. So I'm wondering about what kind of size is popular for house use.
For house use, it usually depends on the rainfall volume. However, 7-inch can hold more floor, but based on our experience, 5.2-inch is enough for most regions and countries.
Indeed, indeed.
Yes.
So which size is more popular for the African countries?
For African market, the best seller is 5.2-inch.
Okay. So thank you, Liang, for your showing of the production line, assemble the systems, and the demo mini samples. So as you have said, Sangobuild is using the 100% raw material, so the performance is far better than the recycled ones. So how you guys show the very cool quality?
Okay, we can just do some testings right here at the factory to make our viewers and the customers can feel the quality. Okay?
That's very cool. I just can't wait to see it.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay, our people will do a testing on the downpipe, and they too will stand on it and jump on it.
Wow, this is so cool. This pipe can withstand 2 people.
Okay. Okay, Joanna, let's check the downpipe.
Okay. Let's check closely. There is no damage on it. It is amazing. So 100% raw material, the quality is perfect.
Yes, as I have told you that new material and our exclusive formula makes great quality with great resilience and also flexibility and also the strength performance is great.
Yeah, I see it. So how about the test of the gutters?
Okay, let's also test the gutter too.
Hello, dear.
Okay, this is Ada, Joanna.
Yeah, Ada, let's
What
know
are you
you.
doing?
We are doing testing on the PVC ring gutter system.
这就要让 客户信任我们的产品吗？是不是太没有意境了？
As I said, our testing before couldn't convince her about the quality.
我觉得 PVC 应该这么样子去测试。
Okay, she's going to do a test for us with more harsh and
See?
Wow, Ada,
with a harsher
you're gonna do some
force.
cool things.
Okay, let's see how Ada is going to prove the quality of our PVC ring gutter.
作为 PVC 的产品，它要求的是韧性。
Flexibility?
Yeah, PVC ring gutter, the most important thing is flexibility and resilience when you are using it.
并且需要确定它的韧性。
Yeah, because resilience is very important.
抗冲击是一个非常
你先说完，我再
关键的，
解释吧。
抗冲击是一个非常那个的参数啊。OK，
So the PVC ring gutter are supposed to under great pressure or such sudden heat or harsh. So now we are going to test it.
Wow, such a big crash.
Okay,
I'm worried about the gutter. Wow,
very hot. So let's check see if there's any breakage.
we have to take a closer check.
Okay, once again.
Wow, no damage. No damage.
Okay, let's check it.
Leon,
Okay,
it's
only
unbelievable.
Small scratches, no visible breakage or other damage.
Yeah, it is impossible.
Yes.
Yeah. So I just believe that 100% raw material is really very important.
Yes, raw material plays really a very important role about the quality of the products. If you use the bad quality raw material, you cannot produce high quality products.
Yeah, I can believe in you. Yeah. So customers and viewers, today our Sangobuild journey is come to the ending. So see you guys next time.
Okay, Joanna, our people in Sangobuild would like to have a photo together with you before you leave.
Wow,
Can we
it's so
take a photo
honored.
together now
Let's do
in
some.
in front of our building?
Great. I just cannot say how wonder I wish to do it.
I hope this journey is not bad for you.
I can remember it for the rest of my life.
Okay, great.
Yeah, so Leon, I can see your passion when you are working in this job. So I'm wondering to ask, so what kind of reason give you the passion for working in Sangobuild?
Joanna, I have a model for my work and for my life. This is like people who love work, love life. If you don't love your work, then you cannot love your life, and you cannot have a happy and balanced life. Yes.
Wow, Leon, you're so great. This model is making me gonna have tears.
Okay.
Yeah, indeed.
Because work and life should be combined together.
Yeah.
If you cannot work with happiness or work with your focus, then you cannot work happily. So that you cannot live happily.
Yeah. Today, as my viewer in the Sangobuild, I have seen so many lovely people. The most impressive impression is that they are very focused on their lives. So this is a very good fortune. No matter when we in the ASPHALT shingle workshop and we in the stone-coated roofing tile workshop and in the PVC rain gutters, all the workers have a very good attitude on their own work. Maybe this is a motto of Sangobuild.
Yes, that's true. So welcome all the customers come to Sangobuild show today. And我们要聚在一起。
对，要聚在一起。
So let's
Let's
have a
take a
photo
photo
together.
at the end of this great journey.
Yes.
我们应该站在中间嘛。
你看到吗？
前面稍微矮一点。
要说3个6的吧？
啊，3、1、2、3。
Sangobuild。
结束直播吧。
结束。
See you.
Okay.